In previous video, we discussed about different deployment option. The first one was standalone deployment. So let's create a lab for standalone deployment. So I'm using Eve NG Professional Edition. You can do the same thing in Community Edition as well. So this is my topology. I have SG and also SMS because we are doing standalone deployment. Here we have DMZ zone, and this side we have local area network zone, and here we have smart console install, okay, management, and this side we have WAN. On DMZ we will use 192.168.2 subnet, while on LAN we will use 192.168.1 subnet, and for management I will use 192.168.114 subnet. Oh, where WAN is using 172.129.129.24, okay, and the gateway is .254, and I will assign the first IP to all these three interfaces beside management one, because my license is on this IP. So that's why I will use 50 IP. Otherwise you can assign the first IP here as well. So this one is 2.1 and 172.129.129.1, and here we have 192.168.1.1, and here we have one server and one client PC. So server IP will be 210, and here we have 1.10 for server, and DMZ we have a client PC, so 2.20, and here we have a client PC which is 1.20. okay, that's it. So these are the details which I mentioned here. On WAN IP address, this is the WAN IP address on our firewall, and this is the LAN IP on our firewall, which we will assign to our interfaces, and 192.168.2.1 will be assigned to our DMZ interface. Management IP will be this one, okay, which I already told you, and LAN subnet is 1, WAN subnet is 172.129.129.24. keep in mind, DMZ is 192.168.2.0.24, and WAN gateway is this the gateway where I will send all the traffic, internet traffic to this IP. LAN gateway will be 1.1. definitely this the firewall interface IP. DMZ gateway will be 2.1, definitely because this the DMZ interface IP, and smart console which I will access. So this is the smart console IP from this my PC IP, by the way. The switch I'm using, and this one is IOL IOU switches, okay. Docker I will use Eve GUI Dockers, which is a web server and also client. So it's a good thing and professional edition to use this Docker. But if you are using community edition, so you can make any Windows XP, either any other things, you can make them as a client, okay. Internet cloud I will use Net Cloud for Internet, which is built in an Eve Professional Edition. If you are using Community Edition, again you have a Net available, you can use that one. Either you can use Management Cloud 0, which is basically Net, okay. Our LAN server IP is 1.10 and PC IP is 1.20. DMZ server IP is 210 and DMZ PC IP is 220. So this is our small topology for standalone deployment, okay. So let's start, okay. What we will do, so let me go to my Eve, okay, and let me give them a name, standalone, whatever you want to give them a name. So you can give them that name, and sorry, not here, I don't need folder, I just need a standalone, okay, and click save. So I save here and it will open a new project here. Now what I need these things basically. I need one checkpoint firewall. So we already know how we can install checkpoint firewall on Eve NG. So let's go to checkpoint. So this checkpoint security gateway, and this the one, the name whatever you give them, SG suppose, and this the icon. You can increase the RAM if you want. So let me increase the RAM. CPU is okay, and there are 4 interfaces, it's okay. We don't need to change anything. Console has to be telnet and click save. Okay. So this is the first thing which we need. Second thing which we need are two switches where we will connect our devices. So right click, go to node, and I need to go to IOL. Okay. And these are IOU switches. You can use any other switch if you want. So I just need two switches and type 2, and here just change the name to switch and change the icon to switch. So let me type S, and then I need to go to switch. Okay. And interfaces are okay. 4 interfaces are there. We just need 3 interfaces and click save. So now I have 2 switches as well. Okay. So let me put this switch here, and let me change the name of this switch as 3. It has to be 1 something. Okay. You can give them a switch, LAN switch and DMZ switch name as well. So now we have 2 switches as well. Great. Next thing which I need are Dockers. So I need 4 Dockers basically, 2 here and 2 here. And instead of Docker, if you are using community edition, so you can use any other things. So node, and let me go to Dockers, and the Dockers image I want to use is Eve GUI servers, and I need 4. Okay, but basically I need 2 server. I can change the name by the way. So let me put them like a Dockers, and RAM is okay. And if you want to enable DHCP, I don't need, and just leave it and save. So now I have 4 Dockers. I need 2 Dockers here, and I need 2 Dockers here. Okay, but I need to change the name. Server 1 and PC 1 has to be on the LAN, and you can give them LAN PC and LAN server name as well. So let me change the name. It's to edit and change the name to SR1 server 1, and I need to change the icon. The icon I give them server. So basically a server. Let's change the icon to this one. So this is my server, and this has to be client. So right click and go to edit and change this one to PC1. Okay, and change the icon to client. So type C and go to any client, suppose this one. Okay, and save. Done. So this side is okay. Now we need this one. Okay, let me start this one, so it will start up to that time. Okay, and right click. What I need to do, server 2 and PC2. So let me change this one to edit, and let me type SRV2 and change the server to, let me give them this one. Okay, and save. So this is my DMZ server, and this is DMZ client. So let's change this one to PC2. Okay, and let's change to client icon. So let's change them to, let's suppose this one, and save. Great. So now we have the clients available. Next thing which we need is management console. So what I can do, right click, go to network, and from here I need the one which I need to connect is this one, management cloud 0. So it will take me to the my management outside connectivity, and here I can type smart console. This is my smart console PC where I will install my smart console and click save. Okay, so this is basically cloud. I just change the icon, and let's connect them to the first interface. We have 4 interfaces. So the first interface is configured for management purpose. So that's why I connect that one to the first interface. Okay, so this one is done. Now next thing we need a internet cloud. Okay, so right click here, go to network, and here we have a net cloud built in this one, and change the name to internet, either ISP, whatever, and change the icon to the cloud. So the cloud I am using, let's suppose this one, and click save. Okay, so now we have internet cloud available. So let me connect the internet cloud. You see I connected to the first interface. So you can connect the internet cloud to the first interface. This is the first interface, and click save. Okay, so this one is done. Now what I done, second interface is connected to the LAN because this is what we decide. So let's connect the second interface to switch 1, okay, which is basically LAN, our LAN, okay. And now it's connected. Okay, let me make them proper. And third interface definitely is go to DMZ. So let's connect this third interface to DMZ. Okay, and now it's connected this one. Now I need to connect these interfaces to server 1. I don't care whatever interface, I just need connectivity. So let's connect to the server, and also let's connect to PC1. Okay, so our LAN devices are connected now. And now I need to connect these interfaces to my DMZ switch. So I connected PC2, which is in DMZ, and also I have a server 2 in DMZ as well, which is a web server and TFTP and FTP server. Okay, so the connectivity is final now. And what else we need? Let me start this switch, and let me start this switch. I don't need to start these yet because I need to assign the IP addresses. So this is our topology. Okay, now I need to polish them and proper. Okay, so what I can do, right click here and edit style, and here you can say this one, and here you can type what we can type. This is smart console. So SCI type them, and let the port label, where is this one, let me, because the port is so close to them, and this one has to go here. Now it's okay. So this is my smart console. Done. So this part is done. Now I need to change this one as well. So edit style, and here I can make them flowchart, and also edit this one and make them flowchart and save 2 times. Okay, so this is server and this is PC. So this one is done, which I use like this. Now because I don't have a space, so I will use different method here. So what I can do, right click, edit style, and here I need like this one, and also let's change this one as well to this one, and click save and save 2 times. Okay, so let's change them to like this one. Okay, so done. So we are done with this one. Now what else we need to do? The internet cloud, and also to type something. Here I type LAN, here I type DMZ, here I type WAN, so it will be easy. So what I can do, right click and edit style, and here you can label them LAN. So this is LAN. Okay, and here right click and edit style and type here DMZ. So we know this is DMZ, and right click edit style, and here you can type WAN. So this is our WAN. Okay, and if you want to type, so this is smart console, and here you can type another one as well if you need. Now right click and go to custom shapes. So in custom shapes, square is okay, square with rounded is okay, and I need solid color, but change them to 3, and let's give them a color, this one, and let's bring them here. So this one, let me put them, this is our DMZ. I make them like this, even I close the switch as well. So let's take the switch as well, and let's make them smaller a bit and bring them down and make them smaller. By the way, it's better to up to this point. Okay, done. So this is our LAN. Right click, make a duplicate. Okay, and bring them here, and let's change them to here, and bring them down and here, just like this one, and here, and here, and here. Bring them more closer because we don't have a space. So what we can do, select all these and put them like this. So now we have, okay, and you can change the color. So right click here, by the way, and edit them, and we can change the color to blue something and save. So this one is blue. Now right click and go to custom shape, and this time I need a circle, and I need a circle with 3, and let's change the circle to whatever, green or maybe, and save. Okay, and bring them here. This is our internet. So now everything is ready, our topology is ready, but we need to assign the IP addresses. Okay, we need to assign IP addresses to the firewall as per the diagram. We need to configure all these devices, then we can access them. But that's the way how we can create the topology here. What else we need to type? Okay, so keep in mind I already installed this one, and the password is admin and admin 123456. So I can type that password so that I cannot forget this one. So admin is the username by default, and admin at 12345. So let me make them bold, and let's change the color to, so I know that the security gateway username and password is this one, which I will need, so I put them here. Okay, so this is our LAN. I need to configure these. Okay, these subnets, I need to type these subnets as well. So let me take duplicate of this one, and what I can do here, the subnet which I using 192.168.1.0.24, correct? So this is our LAN subnet, and right click duplicate, and let's take them to the DMZ, and DMZ we will use 2 subnet which we decide, while the internet we are bounded to use their one. So their one is basically 172.129.29.0/24. This what I need to use because it's the default already one. So 172.29.129, and sorry, this is 29 and 129 is here. So I need to correct them here. This is 29 and 129. Okay, and if you need the gateway, because I'm using professional edition, so the gateway will be the last IP. So let me change this to 254 so that we know what is our gateway. So our gateway is here, and the last thing I need to set up is the IP address which we will assign to. So this is 1. Okay, let me duplicate, and let me take this IP. So we will assign 172.29.129 and this interface 1 IP, and also we will assign 192.168.1.1 to this interface, and also we will assign 1 IP to this interface, the DMZ one, while management is already set up, which is 50 IP. If you remember, when we install this software, sorry, this SG, this firewall, so the IP is already 192.168.114. So let me write down the management subnet as well, so that we know which management subnet we are using. So basically our management subnet is 192.168.114.0.24. In your case it will be different, but in my case is 192.168.114.24. So 50 IP we already assigned here to this interface already. We can change by the way as well. And these are the detail which we need. So this the topology which we install. So what we will do, let me change this one to, by the way, it's 4. Let me make them zoom, and let's change the color to something else, and maybe dark this one. It's okay. Done. So this is our standalone topology. We configure our DMZ, we configure LAN, we configure this side, and we configure smart console, and these are the IP which we need to assign to these devices. So in next video we will see how we can configure and we can assign these IP addresses to these devices.